Okay, this is week 31, the Thursday test. Question 1, -5 plus 3 is -2. Question 2, total cost of 5 drinks is 6.25. Average cost is 6.25 divided by 5. So your answer is 125. Rotate this rectangle 90 degrees clockwise and draw the new position. That's pretty straightforward, so that looks like that. Question 4, 1.2 divided by 4 is 0.3. You don't have to multiply these by 100 by 10 or anything, because as long as this number here doesn't have a decimal point, then you're fine. So you just do it out like 1.2 and 4, and then you do it as if it's 4 to 12. 50, 5, 100, 10, 200, what? 20. So these are kind of funny. Each second one is a tenth of the one before it. So look, it's 50. It's jumping up. If you look at each second number, 50, 100, 200, 400. But then the 5 and the 10 are half, or sorry, are 1/10. 1/10 of the number before it. So 50 goes down to 5, 100 goes down to 10, 200 will go down to 20, 400, the next one you would expect it to be 40. Question number 6, 7 litre and 945 milliliters is 7.945 liters. Which digit in the decimal is the hundredth? In this case, 0. So 0 over 100, second decimal place. Question 8, 1/3 plus 1/6. Okay, so we're going to write 1/3 equals 2/6, and then you can say 2/6 plus 1/6, because you can't add them until the number at the bottom is the same. 2/6 plus 1/6 is 3/6, and then we're going to rewrite that as 1/2. So your answer is 1/2. Question number 9, 5.5 take away 0.9 is 4.6. Question number 10, what's the perimeter of this shape? The perimeter is 410 millimeters. Question 11, 3 over 5 is less than 1/2. That's false. 3 over 5 is more than half. Match the roads. A are perpendicular and B are parallel. Question 13, 12 divided by 1/3. Flip that 1/3 upside down, you get 3 over 1. Then you change the divide to multiply. So that's the same as 12 multiplied by 3. 14, question 14, 80% equals 8 over 10 equals 0.8. Is the formula area equals length by width correct? Yes, finally, they got it. Question 16, 1 whole equals 100%. 1 whole unit, 1 whole cake, 1 whole whatever it is. 17, a cube has 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter side faces, so that's 25 each face. What's the surface area? Multiply that by 6 and your answer is 150 centimeters squared. Question 18, round 2.056 to 1 decimal place. Again, you look at the second place, that's a 5. Third place is irrelevant. Your answer is 2.1. Question 19, this is also the shape, the net of a cube, so that will work as a cube. Question 20, 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. And then your problem solving for Thursday. Niall spent 0.3 of his money in one shop and then 5/10 in another shop. He had 12 euros left. How much money did he start with? Okay, so he spent 0.3 and 5 over 10 is 0.5. It's the same thing. Add them together and that's 0.8. In other words, he spent 0.8 of his money. That means he had 0.2 left. So 12 euros equals 0.2 of his money. And then there's different ways he can do to get back to the full amount. The way I've written here is if 12 euros equals 0.2, then we know that 6 euros equals 0.1, because it would be half of that again. And then you just multiply that by 10 to get 1. So the full amount was 60 euros. Question 2, Jenny's brothers are triplets. The 4 of them have an average age of 11. If Jenny is 11 years old, or sorry, is 14 years old, what age are her brothers? Okay, so the average age of the 4 kids is 11, okay? That means their total age, add them together, is 44. That's 11 multiplied by 4. We know that Jenny's 14, so take away her 14 years from the 44 and you're left with 30. 30 is the total age added together of the 3 triplets. So you have to divide that by 3 to get the age of each boy. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. So the triplets are 10 years old.